How about that for a classic sound? Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Very proud to introduce a blast from the past in the form of a 1951 Chevrolet Style Line Deluxe. This is a Series 1 model. Beautiful black exterior with the gray interior. BF Goodrich's all the way around with 5/8" wide whites. Gorgeous looking. With the chrome reverse wheels on them, and man, does that look good. What a great look. Once again, beautiful black, great trim, great chrome front and back, new bumpers as of a couple years ago. This car has gone through a lot of upgrading over the last few years. It runs good, it looks good, starts easy. And look at that bumper. Front end worth its weight in gold. Very smooth running, 235 straight 6. Has dual carburetors, those have both been rebuilt. The engine has been rebuilt. That engine comes from a 58 Apache. It has the finned dress-up kit. Pertronix ignition. The manifolds have been split into two, so you have dual exhaust coming out to get that beautiful sound. Aluminum radiator. This is an automatic transmission. The Power Glide. Very easy to start, very easy to drive. It is turnkey and ready to rock and roll right now. Beautiful sun guard over the windshield. Brand new motor for the electric windshield wipers. Great lines. There's your interior. Beautiful stainless and chromed up here. Also the traffic light prism in the windshield. Everything is newer or rebuilt to new. You don't have to do a doggone thing. Come in, grab the keys and go. Tons of room in the back seat as well. Make sure you go to our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com and check out the detailed description of this, because there are just a ton of new things to this and too many to mention here. You find a bunch of pictures, a detailed description, and if you have any questions, give us a call here. We'll be glad to help out in any way that we can about this car or any others that we have in stock. Once again, enjoy this 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe. This is the Style Line Series 1. Make sure you hang out the end of the video as well, once again, to check out all the stills that we have. Also, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Please like, subscribe, and check us out. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.